Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you how to safely trim a cat's nails. If you've received deep, bloody scratches like I have recently, it's time to trim your cat's nails. Take a look at this picture that illustrates the anatomy of a cat's nail. Understanding this will help you avoid harming your cat's nails. It's important to be cautious and not cut into the pulp, which contains blood vessels and nerve endings. Let's get started. I prefer to trim nails when my cat is calm or sleepy during the day. This allows me to gently lay him on his right side to trim the nails on his left front paw. This technique is suitable for all cats. If you have any tips or ideas to make this process even easier, please share them in the comments below. Cats aren't aware of how many nails they have, so sometimes my cat thinks we're done before we actually are. Remember, the front paws have 5 toes, and the thumbnail can be a bit hidden, so make sure to find it and position yourself to trim properly. As you can see, I'm using regular nail clippers. If you prefer not to use regular nail clippers and are looking for specialized cat clippers, I've got you covered. Check out the link in the video description for my top recommendation on cat clippers that are safe and easy to use. You can purchase clippers specifically designed for cats, but regular ones work as well. Now I'll trim the nails on the right front paw. I hold my cat gently to make the process easier and ensure he doesn't run away. Once he's ready to go, I still need to trim the nails on both hind legs. So I'll adjust his position to ensure he's comfortable as we continue. Cats have only 4 nails on each hind paw, which simplifies the process. After trimming, I usually polish the nails with a soft file to ensure there are no sharp edges. I quickly go over both the front and hind paws. My cat is quite patient during this procedure. He doesn't bite or scratch me. Of course, I know he wants me to finish as quickly as possible, and I completely understand. I try to work swiftly and let him go as soon as I'm done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for improving this method, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making everyday tasks simpler. Thanks for watching.